class. Hello class, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Stay home, stay safe. Okay. Before we start anything, let's start prayer. Okay, everyone, join your hands, close your eyes. Start with 3 times Omkara. चलिए everyone, rub your hands, put it on your face, your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. Okay? Now you be energetic. God with you. Every day before we start anything, we should pray the God. Here, before some days I say we have to pray the God 3 times a day. In the morning when you wake up, in lunch time when you start your meal, and then in the morning also when you start your meal you have to pray the God in lunch time, and then at the evening when you do your dinner. Before we start our meal we have to pray the God. Okay? And at last when we sleep we have to thank the God Lord. Oh, now in Corona days we are alive, जिंदा है, यही हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. Okay? चलो. When we sleep, at that sleeping time prayer I am singing. You listen. Okay? Krishna, Krishna Vasudevaya. वॉकिंग करवाते हैं, तो दुनिया दिखाते हैं, सुनाते हैं. और जब हम रात को सो गए, फिर इन द मॉर्निंग वी वेक अप, वी रिमेम्बर ऑल द थिंग्स. सारी चीज हमें याद होती है. हु डू दिस? कौन करता है? सर गॉड. गॉड इज एवरीवेयर. ओके, चलो guys, what we learned in our last video? We learned in our last video put the correct sign. What we learned? Put the correct sign. और छोटा और बड़ा. वो fish always open its mouth on a big number. बड़े नंबर के सामने अपना माउथ ओपन रखती है. This is here is your big number, है ना? And in the corner your small number. And one more thing, big number is always pushes the small number. So here is your big number and here is your small number. You know which one is small and which one is big. Okay? And how to put the sign that we learned in our last video. Okay? And today we are going to one new topic. It's the greatest and biggest, smallest. Okay? ओके, चल यू वांट टू बी अ ग्रेट ना, बड़ा बनना है आपको, सो यू हैव टू लर्न दिस. Let's write your dad first, dad and CW. And which chapter is that? Chapter 2, playing with numbers. नंबर के साथ हमें प्ले करना है, छोटा बड़ा आगे पीछे, ठीक है. चलो now your topic is greatest and smallest number. कैसे पता चले? When you also in your family, who is your greatest member in your family? So who is your grandpa is your greatest member in your family. And who is smallest? You, otherwise your colleague. या sorry you या your sibling. शायद आप सबसे छोटे होंगे या तो आपका छोटा भाई और बहन वो स्मॉलेस्ट होंगे, ठीक है. इट्स इन अ एज. Likewise, we have to also identify number, which one is greatest and which one is smallest. So your topic is this is your margin line, guys, and this is your margin line, pink color line is there, and okay, I draw it like pink color. We have no pink color. Okay, so this is your margin line, and put your star here. Circle. CIRCLE, circle the GREATEST, greatest NUMBER, greatest number. सबसे जो बड़ा नंबर है उसमें सर्कल लगाना है. यहाँ पे देखा EST लगा. EST means when we compare the number more than 2, 2 से ज्यादा नंबर कंपेयर करेंगे तब हम लगाएंगे EST. Here, when we compare numbers more than 2, we put that EST. If we compare number 2 ही number को हमें compare करना है 2 and 5, then greater GREATER. Okay? When we compare 2 number एक दूसरे से जब compare करना है तब हम लगाएंगे greater. Okay? This 5 is greater here. And more than 2, that's ER and EST you have to study in your English grammar. Okay? Now, let's start. Your first number is 16. First, what you do? This is your CW, and you have to do this in your notebook like the same. No need to write the chapter name. Topic लिखिए, greatest and smallest number. या तो डायरेक्ट लिख लीजिए. It's okay. No need to write this one also. This is your margin line. Put your star here and write their heading. Circle the greatest number. बड़े नंबर में आपको सर्कल लगाना है. So here is your number. And how to do this cloud? ये cloud कैसे करना है? If someone has don't know, it's so easy. Likewise, you draw the clouds. The cloud आपको कैसे draw करना है ना easy? If you do, that's easy. चलो, first number is 16, 20, 6, 10, and 5. So keep in mind, I always say to you, single digit number is smallest than 2 digit number. So 6 and 5, we don't need to look. Here is number 16, 20, and 0. So here is this one space is 10 space is 1, and here also 1. So this is 1, and here is 2. So 2 is always greater than 1. So your biggest number is 20. Which one is your biggest number? 20, and you have to do here circle. Clear? Your next number is 7, 17, 1 to 14, 4, and 10. So here is 4 and 7 is Clear? चलिए next number is 19, 18, 18, 8, 10 and 15. Okay? चलिए 8 is single digit number, so skip it. Then here is 1, 1, 1 and 1. Okay? All these are same. So what we do? We have to look for our ones place. Here is 0. So this 0 is smaller than the smallest one in all these. Then 5 is next is 5 and then 8 and last one is 9. So your greatest number is 1990. Okay. Compared to 5, 8 and 9. 9 is greatest. So 1990 is your greatest number in this cloud. Okay. Now next number is 1, 4, 3, 19 and 10. So here 1, 4 and 3 is a single digit number. So we look just 19 and 10. So here is 9 and here is 0. So 19 is your greatest number in this cloud. Hope you all are understand. Okay. So now if you want to start your smallest number, so you start here and write your heading circle the smallest number. CIRCLE. Circle means likewise. Circle the SMALLE smallest and NUMBER number. सबसे छोटे नंबर पे सर्कल लगाना है. ओके चलो here is your numbers 20, 10, 14, 16 and 13. These all are 2 digit numbers. Okay, these all are 2 digit numbers. So here is 1, 10 place is 1, here is 1, here also 1 and here is 1. All these are 1. So what we do? Here is 2. So 10 place में 2. So 2 is greater than all these 1. So 20 is the greatest number. Next one. 2, 12, 3, 13 and 16. Okay guys. Here is we have to circle the smallest number. मैं small number पे circle लगाया था. By mistake मैंने great number पे लगा दिया है. So this one is 2. So 2 is greatest. So skip it. Now here is 10, 14, 16 and 13. So we have to look for 0 here, 4, 6 and 3. Which one is smaller? In this number 0 is smaller. So 1, 0, 2, 10 is smallest number in this cloud. Now here is 2, 12, 3, 13 and 16. So first look the single digit and double digit. So 16 is double digit, 13 also double digit and 12 also double digit in 2 digit number. So no need to look in this number. And who is remaining? 2 and 3. So 2 is smaller than 3. So in this cloud 2 is smallest number. Clear guys? Now here is 1, 7, 17, 1, 9, 19, 7, 9 and 15. So 17, 19 and 15 are 2 digit number. So 7 and 9. 7 and 9. Which one is smaller? 7. Because I will learn to you in your number line when you go upside. When you are in the 1 to 10 number when you go up, your number is here smaller. Okay. Next one. 10, 1, 11, 20 and 5. So 11, 10 and 20 is a 2 digit number. So no need to look at this number. And who is remaining? 1 and 5. So 1 is smaller than 5. So in this cloud, the smallest number is 5. Clear guys? This is your CW. I will send the pic, this one also, and we are in a notebook also. And what we do? We have to do in our textbook. Let's look in our textbook, page number 2727. Where is our number? Is 2727. चले, let's start. चले guys, write your date and CW. Here is textbook page number 27. Okay, चले. Read heading with me. Circle the greatest number. सबसे great number में circle लगाना है. So your number is okay. Write your date and CW. Okay. चलो 5, 3, 11 and 6. So greatest number means 5, 3 and 6 is single digit number and 11 is double digit number. So this is your greatest number. Now in next row 6, 1, 2 and 8. In your number line, या तो in your forward counting 1, then after 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is greater than 1 and 2. And 6 after 7, 7 after 8. So 8 is greatest number in this box. Okay. Now here is your number is 12, 19, 16 and 5. So which one is greatest here? 5 is single digit number, so skip it. And 1, 2, 1, 9 and 1. So 1, 1 is common, है ना? And 2, then after 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 after 7, 8 and 9. So 19 is your greatest number. Clear? चलिए. Now which one is next number? Okay, this is your greatest number in your textbook. And now your exercise is CIRCLE. Circle the smallest, SMALLEST, smallest number. Circle the smallest number. हमें small number में circle करना है. 1, 6, 16, 7, 6 and 8. So 16 is 2 digit number, so skip it. Now 7, 6 and 8. So which one is small number? देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 after 7. So 7 is greater than 6. 7 after 8. 8 is greater than 7. So your small number is 6. In the next exercise 3, 10, 8 and 4. What is here? Here 10 is 2 digit number, so skip it. And 3, 4 and 8. Let's counting forward 1, 2, 3. जो सबसे पहले आ जाए वो छोटा रहेगा, है ना? 3 after 4, so 4 is greater than 3. Okay, so your small number is 3. Smallest number is 3. Now next 18, 12, 7 and 6. So 12, 18 and 12 is a 2 digit number. So 7 and 6. Which one is smaller beta? Let's count. जो first आए वो smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is smaller than 7. Clear guys? So this is your textbook page number 27 and in your worksheet guys page number 16. Which one page? Page number 16. Let's do. चले. Okay, your CW in your notebook that I had already do in your our classwork and on a blackboard. Now today's your homework is in worksheet page number 16 and let's start reading. Question 10. And question 11, this is your homework. सर्कल द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर, सबसे बड़ा नंबर में ग्रेटेस्ट में सर्कल लगाना है. जस्ट 1 2 आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, रिमेन्स यू डू योर सेल्फ. 1 6 16, 1 9 19, 1 7 17. So 1 1 and 1. Okay. So these 3 are common in one's tens place. So let's counting करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है. 16 16 आफ्टर 17, तो 17 इज ग्रेटर देन 16 है ना. 17 आफ्टर 18, 18 आफ्टर 19, so 19 is greatest number in this rectangle. Okay. Likewise ये greatest number 1 I have solved here. This remain is your homework. ठीक है. चलो क्वेश्चन 11 is there and what is there? CIRCLE, circle the SMALLEST, smallest number, सबसे छोटे नंबर में आपको सर्कल करना है. चले 1 0 10, 1 8 18, 1 9 19. So which one is smallest here? 1 0 10, because 0 8 and 9. So 0 is smallest in this rectangle and number is 1 0 10. This is the smallest number. Clear guys? Hope you all are understand. If you have any query, then call me 527. Okay. And question 10 and question 11 is your homework. Okay students, have a nice day. Bye bye.